Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back. Said that.
Go, Adam. Let's see. Okay, let's get it. You gotta climb over that. Okay, you made that. You gotta get this one right here now. Okay, you gotta go up there. Up here. Okay, you gonna cross the bridge now? Uh-oh. Go ahead, set it up.
Set it back up.
Go ahead. You gotta be careful crossing this one.
Okay.
Go.
Just gotta do this. Then just go.
Go. Oh, you going too fast. You gotta slow down and back up a little bit. Back up and turn a little bit. Turn. Oh. You ain't making it. You wanna try that one again? Go ahead. You gotta go slow. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, turn the other way a little bit. Okay, you made it. Come down. Okay. Now you gotta hit this one. This one.
This one is the easiest one.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And oh, wait, I could just cheat.
You thought you could just cheat. Go across that one, yeah. Okay, come around. Oh, you going up that again?
And then I won.
Okay, the only one you ain't do is this ramp right here.
This?
Yeah, you gotta do that ramp.
You didn't do the ramp.
I didn't get a chance yet.
Okay.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. My son was just driving this Niva Enano little 4x4 crawler from SNT. This right here is the X43. A shame my son was too excited to really give you guys a slow crawl demonstration. But he's only 7, so I can't fault him too much. But the Niva Enano and the X43 are very close to the same vehicle, just different bodies, but there are some key differences between the two. Somebody asked me which one should they get, and they were talking about FPV. Well, this one does not come with FPV. The X43 is just a crawler, and I added this FPV system from SNT. You can buy these standalone FPV systems from SNT. I'll have a link in the description to their website where you can get it. They're around about 30 bucks last I checked. One of the things that I like more about the X43 is that this little guy has a tighter turn radius. This is a little track that I made, a little crawler track. It's really for indoor. I just like to bring it outdoors to play around with my son out here, just to get him outside sometimes. You see, we got a little bridge I made here. This little bridge is actually made from some little fencing that I got off Amazon. I just glued it to my 2 X-Max wheels. Threw some stickers on top, and these little add-on pieces right here are from LDARC. They're the X43 tabletop crawling kit from LDARC. I just painted mine, And these are pretty cool because you can carry them around, put them on a desktop or wherever you want to take it, and have a decent crawling experience with the X43. Let me do a little bit of crawling for y'all on this course right here. Got the ramp there. I got this standalone LDARC teeter topper sat there. We got this over here that I made. That yellow part over there, that yellow piece over there is from LDARC, part of the desktop kit. Got another ramp over here. Got some pebbles I made right there. And this right here used to be another bridge like this, but I decided to remove the rest of the bridge and just have it crawl over these two because these are pretty high compared to the actual crawler. Check it out. So these are really capable crawlers to be able to crawl up this something just about the same height as itself. Check it out. So let me get some crawling going for y'all. Rubber band bridge. Oop. Gotta adjust your wheels to get around that rubber band bridge there. Oh, let's back up. Here we go. This bridge is not as easy as it looks. It's hard because it shakes. Show y'all this right here. That's you got to keep going. I told my son that this is the hardest one because that happens to me a lot. I guess because I'm going too slow. I think that's one thing that benefited him by going fast. Going fast definitely benefited him there. Smooth as butter. Alright, let's see if doing like my son was doing is the best way to get over this little thing. He actually did better than I did. I got stuck on the end there. See if I can come back down here. Without getting the wheel stuck in one of these holes in the middle. That's it, y'all. The X43 little crawling course. I do have plans to make this a little more extensive without using these little tabletop LDARC crawling kits pieces. I want to add, I'm actually inspired by this one here to put one of these rubber band bridges right here. That's what I'm going to do, and I'll keep you guys posted on whatever else I do to this little mini indoor crawling course. It's the Niva Enano and the LDARC X43. Thanks for watching.